finally with this setup, because it feels like I have not filmed a video with this setup in a really long time, right? So what I'm going to be doing today is a bougie on a budget video. I actually have two, but I'm going to separate them up because they don't really go together. And this one that I'm about to do right now, I actually was going to wait to do it because it's only 2 items. And you guys know I like to bring you quite a few items at a time so that you have some different choices and things like that. But I have worn both of the items recently, and I keep getting questions about them, like on my Snapchat and on my Instagram also. And I know I'm going to get more questions because I have another picture to post wearing one of these bags, and they're both bags, so spoiler alert. But yeah, so I said let me just go ahead and do the video so that I can get it up at some time, because you guys know I'm always late posting as it is. But I said let me just go ahead and film it. I am waiting on some more fun items to come in for you guys, but it's probably going to be a while before those come, so I figured let me just go ahead and do another one. Plus I keep getting asked for more bougie on a budget videos. So as you guys know, most of the spring and summer collections are coming out and everything now. So Chanel did come out with a new collection, and I'm just going to pull it up really quick so I can tell you guys all about it before I even show you what I have. The bags that I have are from like the summer collection from Chanel, but these are the dupes, of course. So I'm going to start off with the 2 bags. They do come in 2 different sizes, like a smaller size and then a larger size, which is, I don't think it's still very that large, but the dupes that I found are not the biggest size. I believe this will be more considered like the smaller size, but they're still a good size, if that makes sense. So the bags that I am referring to, let me just click on it so I can read you exactly what it is. So this bag, does it have a name? This is a flap bag, and this one, it says on the Chanel website that it is PVC lambskin, and it has silver tone metal, and they do come in 2 different colors. So the first one is a blue, green, and pink, and it is really light colors, and I'm going to show you on my phone really quick if I can. It's the bag. Here is the back of it. This bag retails for $2,600 US, and this is the smaller one. If you do want to get the larger one, it's $3,000, and then of course you know they have taxes and all of that stuff, so it's going to be even more. So they have that light pink, you know, like those pastel colors, and then they have one that is kind of more, you know, bright color. So I'm just going to show you what I have here. So that's the retail price for the original bag. Bag that I just was telling you guys about is this one right here. So this is the dupe for it. It looks spot on to me, minus the fact that it does not have the CC logo, and that's what you're paying for because it is a plastic bag, but the leather on it is real on the Chanel one. Now on this particular bag, this leather trimming feels so freaking soft. I doubted that it's real. And then also on the strap, this panel right here is also super soft. Like, it feels like really luxurious leather. I'm not sure if they use the faux leather or if they use the real leather. I believe I paid about $25 for these bags, or somewhere around there. And they did take a little while to come, of course. I did order them from AliExpress. I will have a link down below, and I also have a really fun surprise for you guys, kind of. So this is the bag. I will do a close-up so you guys can really see it. It is quilted, and it does have that PVC. And I love the colors of it. If you open it up, you can see that this top panel here is green. And then this panel here is blue. And then on the sides, it is pink. And then on the back, I believe it's pink as well. Or is it clear? No. No, on the back it's actually green. And then you have a pink panel right here for this little pocket. So that's the only pocket that you get with it. The strap is like a braided detail that's woven in between a chain, and it's pink. And yeah, I just love this bag so much. I just wore this one this past weekend, and actually on the sites from AliExpress, they do give you a little like makeup bag that inserts on the inside. This is really soft, like the leather. It feels the same like the trimming. I doubt that it's real, but it feels really soft. So you can use this inside of your bag. It just has stuffing in it if you don't want people to see what's in your bag. But I personally like that it's a clear bag, and I want you to be able to see my lipsticks and, you know, whatever else I have in my bag. I want you to be able to see it. So I don't use this in my bag, but if you want to have, you know, a day, maybe your cycle is here or something and you want to hide your tampons and stuff, you can definitely use the little insert, and it just fits perfectly inside of the bag. So I will show you that. I feel like using this, it kind of takes away from the bag because I really just like the bag to be clear. So it fits in there perfectly, you know, if you don't want your items to be seen but you like the style of the bag. But I personally like the bag being clear, and it does have silver detailing on it. I absolutely love this bag, and also around the bottom it is pink as well, like it is on the side. So I really love that. I feel like they got this bag so right, and it's just a great price, because whenever I first seen the Chanel bag, I was kind of just shopping around online, and I was kind of thinking about purchasing a Chanel bag like the GST or something like that, that's, you know, kind of more bigger than like a flat bag. And some kind of way I clicked on the actual Chanel website, because of course I was going to buy a pre-loved, not, you know, brand new or whatever. So some kind of way I clicked on the Chanel website and I seen the summer collection, and I was like, oh my god, those clear plastic bags are life, and I need one. Like, I really contemplated in my head, like, Kooch, like, you're gonna buy your first Chanel bag and you're gonna buy a plastic one that's overpriced. So I was like, yo, I have to find a dupe for this, or I'm really gonna want to buy the real bag. So I started looking for it, and then I did find some dupes that have the actual CCs. I can't even remember the website. It was a website I had never heard of. I think I just typed in Chanel bag dupes or something like that, and I was able to find it. But the bag was still very pricey. I want to say that they were charging maybe $500 a bag, or maybe less than that, but it was kind of, you know, it was overpriced to say that it wasn't a real bag. But of course it was going to give you more of that look. But yeah, this works perfectly fine for me. I love it so much. And you know, this little emblem here not having the CCs doesn't bother me at all. So that is the first bag. Also, this is the next one, and you guys probably already seen this one on my Instagram. So this one is the same way, but it is different colors, and I wore this one recently with my Katy Perry lemon shoes. So cute. I just love these bags so much. So on this one, it is green, braided throughout the strap, and then here's a close-up of it. So on this one, they cost the same, you know, depending on what size you get. So this one will be $2,600 from Chanel as well. So on this front flap right here, as you can see, it is yellow, and then it has the green going around, and then this front panel is pink, and then on the sides of this one it is green, if you can see that, and also at the bottom. And then on the back of the bag, yeah, on the back of the bag it is yellow because it's still that one strip, and then right here the pocket is green. So this one doesn't have a lot of pink on it. It is a lot of yellow and green. But I really love it, especially since I got those Katy Perry shoes with the lemons on them. I feel like it goes so great with this bag, and I really love it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, those are the two things that I got. And this one did come with the insert as well, and this one is just yellow. So, you know, like I said before, if you want to use this, you can. And also, spoiler alert, because I think I just got a text message from the guy, I did order a new bag whenever I went shopping this past weekend. They did not have the bag in the store that I wanted, so I did order a bag. So whenever it comes in the mail, I will be doing a handbag unboxing with you dolls. So stay on the lookout for that. This video might go up before or after it. So yeah, these are the two items that I had to show you, and I think these are really great quality. Like I said, the leather or faux leather that is on here feels really soft and supple. And also, like I said, I had a surprise for you dolls. So these are my two bags right here, which I have worn, and then in this packaging I have two brand new bags. So if you can see, the strap is kind of hanging out. So that is the one with the yellow, and this is the more pastel one. And I don't know what happened. These are the exact same size as what I have here. I just didn't unwrap the plastic or anything like that, because I don't know if I accidentally ordered the bag twice or if the company made a mistake or what, but I have these two bags. So of course I'm going to put them up on my site to sell to you dolls, as well as the other Chanel bags. I need to take pictures of those to sell also. So hopefully by the time this video is up, you can click the link and these will be available. It's one of each bag, so you know, first come first serve, and people have been asking me quite a bit, so maybe by the time this video goes up they may already be gone if I haven't posted. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.